morning everybody. I am Bhup Singh Nadia, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Dear student, in my previous video, I taught you how to write the replies of informal kind of invitations. And today I am going to teach you how to write the reply of informal kind of invitation declining them. In my that video, I told you how to reply the informal kind of invitation accepting them. But today we will discuss how to respond the invitation declining it. So, dear students, I have already told you about in detail about what's a reply and how to respond them. I mean to say I have already told you about the pattern and structure of some kind of replies. So please take an example of such kind of invitation replies. Your friend Karan has invited you to attend the wedding of your sister Jaya, but you can't attend the event due to some reason. Respond the invitation expressing your regrets. You are Ravi oblique Ravina and 1144 Road, Chennai. So, dear student, you are Karan. Suppose you are Karan. It is given in the question already. And suppose your friend is Karan. And you are Ravi and Ravina. And you live at M1144 Road, Chennai. So, dear students, first of all, you will write your own address. That's M114 Fort Road, Chennai. Dear students, you will mention your address, excluding your name. Don't mention your name here. And then you will mention the date. Suppose today is 24th of July, so you will write 24th July 2020, and then leave a line. You will also leave a line here, and after that you will also leave a line here. Then you will write dear Karan. It is given in the question, so you write dear Karan. Then you will start. I feel delighted and honored to receive your invitation for Neha's marriage. Dear students, first of all, you will thank the host. It doesn't matter whether you are attending the function or not. First of all, you will thank the host. You can write, I feel delighted and honored to receive your invitation for Neha's marriage, or you can write, I am very thankful to you for inviting me on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of your sister Neha. You can write. Then, it is given in the question paper that respond the invitation, expressing your regrets. Regret, it means you are unable to attend the function. So, you will write, I feel sorry to inform you that I cannot attend the occasion. As my uncle is coming from Canada with family on the same day. I send my good wishes and heartiest congratulations to the newly married couple. I am also sending a small gift for Neha on this happy occasion. The next line you will write, or you can write here also, convey my regards to your parents. Then you will write yours lovingly, or you can write yours sincerely. Then you will write your name, Ravi. If you are a boy, you will write Ravi, otherwise you will write Ravina. Yes, dear students. In such kind of replies, first of all, I have already told you that you will write your address, then you will write date, and then you will salute your friend, you will write dear friend. Then while writing the reply, you will thank the host, whether you are attending the function, attending the occasion or not. So first of all you will write, I am very thankful to you for inviting me on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of your sister. Or you can write, I feel very delighted and honored to receive your invitation for Neha's marriage. Then if you are unable to attend the function, you will express your inability. I mean to say, you will write, I feel sorry to inform you that I can't attend the occasion as my uncle is coming from Canada with family on the same day. Yes, dear students, you will have to give a specific reason for it. If you are unable to attend the function, you will have to write the reason for it. In formal kind of invitation, you can write due to some unavoidable previous commitment, I can't attend the function. But in informal kind of invitation, it is better if you write the reason, if you write the specific reason for not attending the invitation. So dear students, you will write the reason is given here. I can't attend the occasion as my uncle, yes, I have write 2 times uncle. As my uncle is coming from Canada with family on the same day, I send my good wishes and heartiest congratulations to the newly married couple. I am also sending a small gift for Neha, for if it is given Neha, wedding of your sister Jaya. Yes, Jaya is there. So you will write small gift for Jaya. Because it is mentioned in the question, so you will write Jaya. If it is not mentioned, you can assume Neha, Jaya, Kamla, etc. On this happy occasion, convey my regards to your parents, yours sincerely. Then you will write your name, and then you will put all the matter inside a box. So dear students, this was something how to write the replies of informal kind of invitation and declining them. So if you have any kind of hesitation, you will ask me. So, but don't forget to put all the material inside a box after writing the reply. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Thanks.